This is how you repair your LED light bulb. If you watch this video, this will help you repair your damaged LED light bulb. Watch until the end. As you can see, we have two LED light bulbs. First, we will test it if the bulb is still working or not. As you can see, upon testing of two LED light bulbs, one of them is not working. So we will be going to repair it. First, unplug the light bulb for safety purposes. And after that, we will remove the white plastic cover of our LED light bulb to have access inside the light bulb. Just use a sharp thin object or any thin object just to remove the cover. After removing the cover, you will see multiple LED inside of it. And then plug in the light bulb to see if the LED is working. The technique here, if you don't have a tester, just get a wire and remove the insulator of the wire end to end. The purpose of this wire is just a jumper. This is how we test LED light bulb. As you can see, we easily locate which LED is not working. We just use a jumper wire to locate the damaged LED. Some of you are asking why we need jumper wire to locate the damaged LED. The answer is that the connection of all LED inside the light bulb is in series connection. If one of the LED is damaged, the connection of the LED will be cut. To repair, just remove the damaged LED and solder it just like the jumper wire.